Today in maths, you are going to be looking at place value in decimal numbers. So, a decimal number is any number that has a decimal point in it, like this. Let's look at our place value chart to remind ourselves. The decimal point is here. Any numbers to the left of the decimal point are whole numbers, and we are really secure at recognising the value of each digit in a whole number. This number here is 12, okay, and it is made up of 1 10 and 2 ones. Now, any number to the right of the decimal point, it has a value smaller than 1. Therefore, it's a fraction of a number. Okay, so if we have this 4 here, the value of it is 4/10. That's the same as the fraction 4 out of 10. Okay, it's 4 parts of 10. So it's smaller than the value of 1. The 5 is in hundredths, and then the 2 is thousands. Okay, so it's 2 parts out of 1,000. It's really important when we're looking at place value in decimal numbers that we recognise that any digit to the right will have to be called a tenth, a hundredth, a thousandth, a 10,000th, or a 100,000th. It needs to have the TH sound at the end because it's only a fraction of the number. Okay, we're going to watch a video today, and then your task is to log into your Century Learning account. Your username should be at the front of your home learning book, and complete the assignment, place value in decimals. Okay, the activity should take you about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, once you've spent that long on it and you're really secure with your learning, then you can log out and go on to Times Table Rockstars. Right, firstly we're just going to watch a video to explain to us about place value in decimals.
I said before, I never repeat myself, so pay attention. What do we have here? Yes, right there. This is a decimal point. What's the point, you might ask? Well, the numbers to the right of the decimal point are smaller than 1. Even though you may be tempted to ignore those little guys, remember, it's the little things in life that count. So let's count those little things called decimal numbers. Everything to the right of the decimal point is a mirror image of the numbers to the left of the decimal point, starting at the tenths place. Here's the tenths place, the hundredths place, thousandths place, 10,000ths place, 100,000ths place, millionths place, 10 millionths place, 100 millionths place, billionths place. Notice the difference in the numbers on the right and those on the left of the decimal point. The numbers to the right of the decimal point end with a These decimal numbers are the same as fractions. 8 tenths can also be written like this. 8 hundredths can look like this. 8 thousandths looks like this. Here you have 8 10,000ths, 8 100,000ths, 8 millionths, 8 10 millionths, 8 100 millionths, 8 billionths, and so on. How do you read a number that has a decimal point? Well, numbers that are bigger than 1, to the left of the decimal point, are called whole numbers.
Okay, now we've watched the video and we've reviewed and revised what are decimal numbers and the place value of them. You need to log into your Century Learning account and complete the assignment. Can't wait to see what you have achieved. Well done.